Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Distinguished judges, to start our discussion on our progress toward 2030, let us begin with a fundamental question. Is our global economy truly advancing, or are we simply becoming more efficient at wasting resources? Today, I am Putri Nayla Sabri, the student of Informatics Engineering Department, Faculty of Engineering, Universitas Muhammadiyah Malang, going to present a focused audit of two sectors in what we call innovation, often reflects ecological regression, the textile industry, and the digital supply chain. Despite the sustainability campaigns, our global economy remains only 7.2% circular. This means that more than 90% of everything we extract, from the minerals in our phones to the fibers in our clothes, is wasted, even after only one use cycle. First, the textile industry. We produce over 100 billion garments annually for a global population of 8 billion. This imbalance reflects systemic overproduction. By producing a single pair of denim jeans, it requires 7,500 liters of water. This is equivalent to one person's drinking needs for 7 years. At the same time, synthetic textiles contribute to 35% of primary microplastics in our oceans. A capsule wardrobe is not a threat, but offers a strategic intervention. It extends product life cycle and reduces demands for new production by directly addressing nearly 10% of global carbon emissions generated by the sector. And the second one, let's examine our digital world. Our move towards a clean and smart products still depends on systems that often harm both the environment and the people. More than 70% of global cobalt, essential for our battery production, is sourced from the Democratic Republic of Congo, where illegal mining is frequently associated by hazardous labor conditions and persistent labor abuses. In 2023, the world generated 62 million of tons e-waste, yet less than 22.3% was properly collected and recycled. By choosing a pre-owned or refurbished devices is a form of preservation. Research shows that around 80% of the smartphone's carbon footprint appeared during the manufacturing and extraction processes, not when its usage. By extending a device's lifespan by 1 year, it can reduce its whole environmental impact by 30%. This idea is the core of SDG 12, responsible consumption and production. It is not a standalone goal, but is connected to other SDGs. It supports SDG 8 about decent work by promoting ethical labor practicing in the mining resources, and SDG 13 about climate action by reducing energy-intensive manufacturing. To address the systemic leaks, we must prioritize three strategies. First, eradicating planned obsolescence by moving away from hardware that designed it to fail. Second, implementing urban mining by transforming existing waste and secondary markets into resource reserves. Last but not least, practicing responsible management by shifting from passive consumption into active resource use. The goal for 2030 is not a world built new green products, but is always a livable planet. True sustainability is defined not by what we buy, but what we choose not to replace. Let's move beyond consumption and start protecting what truly matters. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.